KBB.com 10 Best UberX Candidates. This Chevrolet Cruze boasts a turbocharged gas I4 1.4-liter/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, cruise control, wheels, 16, 40.6 cm, steel with silver painted wheel covers, STD. This Chevrolet Cruze features the following options: transmission, 6-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, summit white, seats, front bucket with reclining seat backs and adjustable head restraints, STD, remote vehicle starter system. Preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, license plate bracket, front, jet black, premium cloth Seat trim, heater, oil pan, engine, Ecotec Turbo 1.4 liters variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI, 138 horsepower, 103 kilowatts, at 4,900 revolutions per minute, 148 pounds-to-foot of torque, 199.8 Nm, at 1,850 revolutions per minute, STD, axle, 3.53 final drive ratio. Visit us today. Live a little. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9 T3L3 to make this car yours today.